My name is Mrs. Maria Pillay from Secunderabad, Telangana district. So I'm very happy to be and thrilled to come to at the shrine of St. Francis Xavier, where I was longing for from the year 1984 onwards. So I didn't have the opportunity of coming every time there was hurdles, right from 84 to 2024. And luckily, the moment I came to know that the exposition of Francis Xavier is going to be done on 21st of November to January 5th, I was the first person to run and inform everybody, chalo, we'll go to visit St. Francis Xavier shrine and go and see his body face to face. Because I have seen his hand at Rome twice in the year 2009 and 2017. So we were really blessed by him through his prayer and through his intercession. Wonderful miracles have happened in my life. I was promoted as Deputy Educational Officer of Secunderabad Zone the moment I came back from my brain surgery, and moreover I was on the deathbed. People thought I am no more. But what a miracle it is, through the grace of God and through the blessing of St. Francis Xavier, I am as normal as before. And now we got a direct train from Secunderabad to Goa to visit the shrine, and I'm very happy that I've landed this morning safely, and we got the restaurant at Retreat House, Old Goa, and after that we wanted to visit the shrine because I want to see his body face to face. Last till 2018 we were visiting, but I could see him in the canopy. It was not down as such, but fortunately God has given, he heard our prayer, and St. Francis Xavier really interceded to Jesus to make this visit a successful thing for me, and I landed here today, and I came as a thanksgiving to offer him for all the blessings he has bestowed upon our family and for the entire community of our Catholic religion. Thank you, and God bless you.